Alright. You ready for an adventure? I'm gonna put you down in here. In the launching spot. Let me get you by that. See where I got in over there on that thing right there? I'll take your paddle out. Creek is angry today.
She's a biatch.
Yeah.
Oh.
You want to adjust your feet? All right. Stay level. Stay squirrely. You ready? Don't make me come chasing you. Remember, as you get out there, as you start to go, just you'll gain momentum. You saw him, it took me a little while. All right? You want me to hold on to your rope?
I have a rope?
Should I hang on to your rope?
Where'd that rope come from?
This is the anchor when we hunt. Huh?
No. I won't pull you in.
Seriously?
What do you mean seriously? I can't pull you in.
Yeah.
What?
Listen.
You don't think I could pull you in?
No, I don't. I do not think you could paddle hard enough to pull me in. If you flipped over, maybe. All right, you ready?
And then what are you going to do? Let it go?
Yeah, that's probably not a good plan. All right, you're on your own. If you flip over, I'm going to have to go swimming. Don't flip. All right, get your balance. Yeah.
See ya. I'm going. No.
Don't lean. Just paddle. Get your momentum.
Oh.
Back pedal right.
Oh. Oh.
Hey, do not lean. Get your momentum. Get your momentum. You'll get it. You're in the worst part right now. You're in the absolute worst part. The water's cranking right there. You're getting momentum. As soon as you pass those trees, you're going to be fine. As soon as you pass those trees, you got momentum. Don't give up.
These trees?
Yep. It's going to start getting easier in a second. You got some momentum. You're doing good. Just don't forget to backpedal, right? When you're going to spin like that. Very important. Are you good? Yeah. If you can't get the bow across, backpedal opposite, remember? You got it. Just stay level. All right, I'm going to come chase you down. You all right? Don't lean, back pedal opposite. There you go, now pedal right. There you go. Stay on the inside of the bend, meaning you're on the wrong side right now. Pedal right. The inside of the bend, the water's calmer. Inside of the bend, water's calmer. You're on the outside of the bend. Get to the other side of the creek. All right, then just paddle. What? You're doing good. You gotta paddle more. Look how fast I caught you. Yeah, you can. Now you're going. Remember, don't overwork it. Let your momentum go. Go left paddle. There you go. Don't overwork it. Right paddle now. Right paddle. All right, back up. There you go. Ange, look. Look how I'm barely paddling just to stay still. I'm not even doing anything. I'm just sitting here.
How?
What? I'm not even moving.
How?
Because I'm just, once you have a certain amount of momentum, don't overwork the kayak, just enough. I'm barely moving the paddles. Ange, I'm barely moving. I'm not even going anywhere. We're not in a race. If we go 100 yards, we go 100 yards.
Oh, I'm gonna crash into
Don't worry, don't, Ange. Do not panic, okay? All right, now you got me in the mix. All right, look.
I don't know how I'm gonna get back.
Don't, Ange. How are you gonna get back? You're just gonna float.
I don't know how I'm gonna stop. Put it that way.
You just got to get the feel for the river. That's all. It doesn't really take a lot of work. You got it, babe. Just keep going. Just put your head down and paddle. Just put your head down and paddle until you get to where I am. Stay straight, stay straight. Stay straight, don't panic. Are you stuck there? Back pedal, back. What? No, because you could flip right there. That's bad. You're in the worst possible scenario. Back pedal off and let yourself float. Put your nose down towards me. Whichever way it takes. Let the current take you. I'm going right by you. I'm taking you with me. Okay? You all right? Just stay right there.
Backwards?
Yeah. If you're done, I'm taking you back.
I can't do it.
Huh?
I can't do it. I'm tired.
You just work too hard at it. You okay?
Oh, I'm straining my back too much.
All right, I have to do something right now. All right, I got you.
I like being backwards.
What?
I like being backwards.
You don't like being backwards? I'm just gonna put you right in the spot over here.
See what I did?
Not yet. Not yet. When you get lined up, start digging. Go ahead, start digging. No, paddle like a normal person. You got your paddles backwards. You all right? I gotta turn around now. Stay right there. Just stay right there. What? I told you, that's why you were like, I'm gonna wear flip-flops, and I think I'm gonna bring... I don't think you had it mentally prepared for what we were getting into here. Let me just beach, and then I'm gonna pull you up, all right?
This is not what I wanted my
But-
first experience, you know?
Honestly, you were just working really too hard at it. You have to be the kayak. The creek will talk to you if you let it.
What are you doing? speak whisper?
You have to whisper to the creek. Alright, I'm beached. I'll pull you up.
You can keep going if you want.
Whoa.
You know, it's doing your thing. I just know my limits.
You don't know your limits. Let me get you square so that you can stand.
Hey, I thought being sitting on a log was good.
I don't know about any of that. All I know is I was filming the whole time. You're going to be a YouTube sensation.
Great.
You really are.
Great.
Yeah. Hold on a minute. Let me take your paddle. Get it up on dry land. You alright?
I think she'll be willing to give it a go.
Well, I think you could have done it, personally. Every good hillbilly carries a beer.
I got this cap on just for looks.
What?
I got the cap on just for looks.
Yeah? I don't know. It's only been a year.
I don't think I meet up to the Cabela name.
No. It's only been a year. You'll get there.